OPM Revolution dahil nandito na tayo sa MVP Studio! At dahil dyan, we are throwing a major live party for you with the ultimate concert experience for free only here on fan-powered OPM Countdown Show in the country. Sabay-sabay po tayo, this is
MVP ba sa ganda? Simula ngayon ito na ang magiging bahay ng mga MVP kung magmahal sa original Filipino music.
That's right! Ayan ha! Of course, we would like to acknowledge our very own MVPs ng Vibe Band headed by our musical director, Sir Juno Dela Santos! And of course, our team right headed by Teacher Jubel!
At siyempre, isa pang MVP na nakakasama natin sa pagbuo ng Major Vibe Party at nanonood sa atin ngayon online. Siya talaga ang tunay na MVP, our boss, Manny V. Pangilinan.
Mavi! That makes tonight's one-of-a-kind lineup super exciting. Makakasama natin ang iba't ibang tunog from the MVPs of OPM, and it's something that you're gonna wanna look forward to. Diba?
Yes, tama ka dyan. Andito rin ang OG natin na talagang MVP sa kanilang genre. Kasama natin sina Lay Bautista, Annie Trillo, Gretchen Gregorio, and Vanessa Garcia. The OG of the 90s all-female pop rock group, Bigger Than Kick.
Yes! We also have ang batang rapper ng 2000s, Ivy! Siyempre, kasama niya rin ang mga matinik sa rap sila Kenneth, Harold, Joe Mark, and Jerome. Mag-hi naman kayo sa mga V's natin!
Yo, brother! What's up, mga V's?
What's up, everybody? Ayun na!
What's up?
What's up? Eto na nga, syempre representing the main vibe. Make some noise for Elmo Magalona and welcome back sa vibe. Nasaan ba si Elmo? Magkakay ka naman sa mga bees.
Yes, good evening mga ka-vibe. Thank you for having me and the Hardware Syndrome for your special night tonight. Thank you.
Oh, nice to see you again. Alam niyo ba dito sa MVP Studio nagsasama-sama ang mga nagmamahal sa musikang Pilipino? So, keep on voting for the OPM artists you think deserve to be here on the Vibe stage.
Yes, Maxi and Mavis, this is just more than a countdown. This is an OPM movement. Ano pang hinihintay natin? MVP Studios, make some noise! The party has just begun, and we're turning it up with even more music. Yeah, stay tuned, only here on Vibe!